Hey Restorative family, Dr. Kevin here at the homestead hanging out. Wanted to shoot a quick video to talk a little bit about the health of the microbiome and why it is so critically important. This month, the practice kind of focusing on gut health a little bit, and as so many of you know, it's a topic that I'm extremely passionate about, very excited for. You might be hearing the sheep in the background. Pardon that, it's just part of the homestead life that we're living here. Anyhow, back to the microbiome, the health of our gut. Gut health is such a buzzword these days. There's so many people talking about it, so many people trying to help it and address it, and there's a lot of different factors that need to be looked at in order to accurately and completely help a patient who might be struggling with the health of their gut. So I want to talk a little bit about food. Food is obviously foundational to anybody's health, and especially to gut health. There's a lot of different foods that can cause inflammation within our gut, such as a lot of grains and sugars and the processed refined foods. But along with that, there's a lot of foods that can be extremely healing to the gut, such as your lacto-fermented foods like sauerkraut, or perhaps a fermented beverage like kombucha or fruit kvass. A lot of these things are becoming pretty mainstream, and you can find them at your local grocery stores around here, like Kimberton Whole Foods, Wegmans, Whole Foods. They're around, so you're welcome to go and look for that. So food is critically important. Along with that, though, there's a lot of supplements that are really beneficial for helping people out. A lot of patients come in and they've tried different probiotics or perhaps different enzymes, and all of those things can be beneficial, but we need to understand that they have to be appropriately applied. The gut is comprised of a lot of different cells that come together, and they form what are called tight junctions. Those cells are supposed to be really close together. Because of inflammation, those cells now have a bigger space between them, and that allows various pathogens, toxins, other chemicals to be getting through, and that continues to inflame and irritate the gut, creating a further breakdown of that tissue. The great thing is, our gut cells replace and heal themselves every few weeks, but when they're constantly being bombarded by those kinds of stressors, they never have that opportunity to heal. So if you're looking for new ways and new opportunities to heal your gut, or curious about how it might be impacting your health, it goes far beyond just how good of bowel movements you might be having, or if you're struggling with gas or bloating. It actually goes to brain health. Things like anxiety, depression, ADD are all linked to the health of the gut and the microbiome, or all of the different organisms that are comprised of that. Different skin issues are also common to have roots back to the health of the gut. Also different hormonal imbalances. So as you can hear, there's a lot of different things that might be related to your gut that you might not even be thinking about right now. So as we focus on that this month here at Restorative, know that we've got a lot of protocols, a lot of awesome tests and ways of figuring out exactly what you might need in order to heal and live the best possible life you can. Thanks everybody.